Hi everyone, I'll introduce myself. My name is Ahana Parvin. I'm pursuing my final year CSC in SNS College of Engineering. Today I'm going to talk about the topic of advantages of cloud computing. So the advantages of cloud computing are storage is simply a new way of storing data and other digital contents. It helps to store the data as well as the other digital contents. It allows users to access the files whenever there is an internet access. Wherever you are, if you have internet or mobile data access, you will be easily able to access the cloud computing site. Reduced IT cost. It also reduced the IT cost because of using this cloud computing model. Moving to cloud computing may reduce the cost of managing and maintaining your IT systems. Because of this newly updated cloud computing systems, it also helps us to moving or maintaining the IT systems data easily. These cloud provides faster, safer, less expensive management in all forms of maintenance data. It also helps us to secure our money, and it's helpful for us to reduce our expenses. Cloud storage has many benefits in high availability, resilience, and most of flexibility access. In the final point, they are maintaining it. It is easily available to usage, and it is flexible for all the convenient usages. So the advantages of cloud storage are backup and restore data. Once the data is stored in the cloud, to get backup and restore the data using the cloud, you can backup the data. And the second advantage is improved collaboration. Cloud applications improve collaboration by allowing groups of people quickly and easily share information in the cloud via shared storage. It also helps us to conveniently share our data with each other. Excellent accessibility. Cloud allows us to quickly and easily access store information anywhere, anytime in the whole world using internet connection. And internet cloud infrastructure increases organization productivity and efficiency by ensuring that our data is always accessible. The main advantage of it, wherever place, whenever you have to upload your data, it is so easily convenient for us to access the data using cloud storage. And the fourth one is low maintenance cost. Cloud computing reduces both hardware and software maintenance cost for organization. It is very easily and convenient for the organization to maintain their data by using cloud storage. So it is very convenient for them. Mobility. Cloud computing allows us to easily access all cloud data via mobile. It is also a very big and easy point for us to use our data conveniently through mobile by using cloud storage. And the sixth point is services in the pay per cost model. Cloud computing offers application programming interfaces API to the user for access service on the cloud and pays charge as per the usage of service. If you want to do any sort of services using cloud storage, so they are also providing a feature called API through which we can pay according to our service and use the cloud storage. Unlimited storage capacity. Cloud offers us a huge amount of storing capacity for storing our important data such as document, images, video, etc. in one place. Without any hesitation of storing it in limited data, we have unlimited data to store the cloud computing, which is a very good access in cloud storage, and it is very convenient for us. So the next point is types of cloud storage. There are four types of cloud storage. First one is public cloud, second one is private cloud, third one is hybrid cloud, and the fourth one is multi-cloud. These are the four major types of clouds. Why AI&DS and its importance? In this, we are going to see why AI&DS service is important for cloud computing. By using AI&DS in the cloud computing, we can generate machine learning ML models when a large set of data applied to a certain algorithm, and becomes important to leverage the cloud for this. The models are able to learn from different patterns which are cleansed from the available data. Without generating a pattern of machine learning, it is easily for us available to go through the cloud storage by using artificial intelligence. Even without creating a unique ML model, it is possible to enjoy services which parallel that provided by AI system. For instance, test analytics, speech, vision, and machine languages translate or accessible to developers. They simply integrate them into the different development projects. So what they are mentioning in this is, without creating any sort of hustle by using machine learning, it is easily accessible for the developers to see speech, vision, and machine learning test analytics by using artificial intelligence. It is reducing the work for the developers, and it is so convenient for them by using this methodology using artificial intelligence. And the final point is, although these services are generic and are not tailored to specific users, cloud computing vendors are taking steps to ensure that this is constantly improved. Cognitive computing is a well-defined service for the problem, provide their personalized data which can be trained to deliver well-defined services. This way, the problem of finding the appropriate algorithm for the correct training model is eliminated. Although there are different kind of AI DSA has been emerged, so the vendors are seeing the particular artificial intelligence are used training according to their module, and this is their main criteria for using artificial intelligence in the manner to give them easy hustle work without machine learning. So the next axis we are going to see is benefits of leveraging AI and DS in cloud computing. So what are the advantages of using AI DS in cloud computing? Increased productivity. The main first point is it has increased the productivity. Unlike a hard drive or local storage device, which requires a lot of IT management chores, hardware setup, software patching, racking and stacking, cloud computing is all internet based and also no other need for this. This gives room for the IT team to focus on achieving other business goals. The point of this statement is cloud computing doesn't require any hardware or software components. It only requires the internet accessibility. So it is very convenient for the IT people to focus on their important goals without doing any sort of hustles. Reliability. With the hardware or physically accessible infrastructure, the risk of damage is heightened. One faces the risk of the crash, lost files, backup failure so much more. However, cloud computing solutions ensure business continuity, faster and easier disaster recovery and easier data backup. The main of this is, however, we are storing our data and information in hardware and software, we have the risk of losing them and we cannot get the backup of the data. So for all these problems, cloud storage is a main important point where without these sort of hassles, we can able to store our data and we can have no worries of backupping the data or losing them in a worry. Availability of advanced infrastructure. AI applications are generally high performance when on servers with multiple and very fast graphics processing units. So by using AI, it is very good and it is also enhancing the performance of graphical processing units. These systems are, however, extremely expensive and unaffordable for many organizations. So because of using GPUs, these are very expensive and cannot be afforded by any sort of very big organization. AI as a service in cloud application developed becomes accessible for these organizations at affordable price. Apart from the GPU graphic processing units, AI is very affordable for all the organization and it is very accessible for them. So it is the main beneficial point of it. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you all.